Three guesses. If you've been watching this for a while, I think you know. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Welcome back. If you're new here, we're putting a new motor. We're rebuilding the motor in the Chicken Coupe. A 1927 Ford Model T. And we have our old friend the flywheel, and I got mail. Three guesses. If you've been watching this for a while, I think you know. Pins. Those. And we have brand new triple gears. Brand new. And they have roller bearings in them. Have you ever seen anything like that before? I have not. We got a healthy dose of Cosmoline on them too. Brand new fancy triple gears. And pins. I want to see what the difference is. Because Dan said he had this, a stock one. He said he had to regrind them. So I'm curious as to what size they actually ended up. I'll get there. Give me a minute. Let's do it this way. Okay, stock one, 0.678. Remember that number for me, will you? See, everything's really well packaged too. Dan McGeckern. I think I'm saying that right. This is .668, so he took 10 thousandths off. 5 on each side. 6.6. 6.7. Yeah, so he took 10 thousandths off. Put this away before I forget. 5 thousandths deep. I wonder if there's any numbers on here. Oh, look at that. No numbers on the bearings, but that is going to be so nice. Okay, step one is going to be to put these in the flywheel. They're going to go in that way. They're going to get pressed in. So let me get that done, and then we'll start working on I'll set these aside. Start working on the magneto and getting the magnets on.